Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. We have a killer 1968 Chevy Impala. Got John here, the owners, and to tell us a little about it. Hey John.
Hey Mike.
How you doing, man?
All right. So, yeah, 68 Impala. It's brand new, less than 2,000 miles. Blueprint engine, 540.
Whew.
Engine Dyno'd at 737 horsepower. Goes down to a 3,500 stall speed converter into a turbo 400 tranny with 410 gears in the back. So we got street strips on the back.
Yeah, ET Streets.
Car is perfect for taking a family out to get ice cream or ripping the doors off an SRT, you know, so it's
Yeah.
pretty good.
You ain't kidding. Finished in space gray. It's a BMW color, really killer. A little bit of metallic in it, and you know, against this white interior and white top, really does the job.
Yep, the white top with the color, the space gray color, get complimented on it all the time.
Right? My favorite.
Body is straight as an arrow.
Really is.
Brand new 3-inch exhaust all the way back.
Sounds killer too. Wait till you guys hear it. Billet specialty wheels wrapped in ET Streets. Front tires are also like brand new. All the lights and everything work. Dakota digital gauges. Gorgeous, super straight body. Big tire on the back.
Car's never seen rain. Matter of fact, I don't know the last time I took it out and had to put the windows up. So
That's cool. Man, it looks great, the hardtop style, you know? No
Yep.
post, big window in the back. Custom leather wrap steering wheel, center console, buckets, custom floor mats, and even the clock works.
and the rear is a 12 bolt.
Cool. Posi, right?
Yep.
Of course.
Of course. Yep.
Quick shifter. It's a lockout. Man, this paint is beautiful. Well, show us the jewelry. So the motor's got 2,000 miles on it?
A little less.
Yeah. There she is. Big black.
So it still has the 427 tags on it, but it's big block Chevy 540 cubic inch. It's a Dyno'd at 737. I have all the paperwork on it.
Cool. Sounds good
So-
too. It's got the high flow heads by Billet and Blueprint. Those are P580 13s and big high flow. It's got a Holley carburetor on it too. It's a 750. MSD Electronic Distributor or Blaster Coil. Brand new fuel pump, as you can see. Serpentine System. Everything's all blacked out. Big aluminum radiator with dual fans on it. They kick on the thermostat. Vacuum pump here too to give it a little more boost. This high flow motor. Actually, you can put the brakes on; it'll stop.
Yep.
A lot of these cars with the big horse, they rob it a vacuum. You can't freaking stop.
If you're gonna get going like this, you're gonna have to be able to stop. That's for sure.
Yeah, you
Front
ain't kidding.
wheel disc brakes.
Hooker headers, like you said, that's a new exhaust system, 3-inch all the way out. Sounds so good. Painted inner fenders. And you don't really see these around either, John.
No. They've become more popular in the past. I think 4 or 5 years. They kind of sought after these types
Yeah.
of Impalas. There's so much you can do with this thing. You know, I mean,
Yeah.
like I said, I like big cars. You know, I like
Yeah.
big cars. I like steel cars. There's
Yeah.
no steel. There's no plastic on it anywhere.
Very comfortable.
And like I said, we've had many a great nights taking the family out in this and just cruising around and hitting up some local car shows and it's
Yeah,
just
having
a
a
fun
fun.
thing to have.
Pile everybody in, plenty of room. Super nice chrome and stainless throughout. These tires look pretty new too. Oh, you got a matching spare too.
Yep.
Cool. That's great. I like how they finished the inside panel on the trunk.
On the back, top, bottom of the
Right?
trunk, right?
Isn't that
Yeah.
nice? It's like all original metal too.
Yep.
Pretty cool. Can you fire it up?
Yeah, sure.
I need to hear this thing again. Love that dash. That is killer. Got a custom stereo in here too. Man, that's every bit of 750 horse right there. You got the dyno. Man, it sounds so lumpy. Go for a quick spin. Man, this thing sounds so good, John. It's so comfortable and lofty in here. You know?
Yeah, definitely.
Little stall, 3500 stall and a shift kit coming out that Posi rear. Neighbors must love this car.
What's that? Yeah, that's for sure. They love it on a Sunday morning at 7:30.
Exactly.
Heading out to a car
You go
show.
to the mall at 7:30.
Yeah, that's right.
Cars and coffee.
Yep.
That's great.
You want to hop on it a little?
It's got some juice. Stops nice too, huh?
Yeah, front disc brakes in the front, drums in the rear.
Cool.
But
Sounds so good.
she's definitely built to have fun to drive.
Yeah. Agreed. Man, so responsive too, huh?
Yep.
Woo-wee. Guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Hit me up, 631-339-0399. You can also check out more information on our website, so weebyautos.com. Buy and sell. Thanks a lot.